Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. On the left here is Italian 258, and I was going to say that its figs are about the largest main crop figs out of the varieties that I have, but I guess that's not the case. On the right is a black Madeira I started from a cutting in 2017, and the two varieties seem pretty similar. Again, cuttings from the same tree will produce plants that they don't look exactly alike sometimes, but the leaf pattern here looks a little similar to black Madeira. The figs will have a little bit of a shine to it on the Italian 258, but I've seen that as a difference between the same varieties too, as far as the fig having a shine or not a shine. But what I want to do with the Italian 258 here is put it into this larger pot because it's drying out pretty quick. And again, this is from 2015. I purchased this as a plant, so it's been in that pot since 2015. And this 2017 Black Madeira is about the same size almost. So I want to up-pot this. Nothing special. I'm not going to disturb the roots. I'm just going to put it into this larger pot with some more soil and top it off with some pine bark. You can see the roots. I don't know, maybe I'll score those. Just score these. And I'll bury it a little bit deeper. So that's the Italian 258. Needed to repot that and couldn't help noticing the progress of these figs on the Italian 258, which seems sort of similar to Black Madeira. I don't think I've had the Italian 258 fig yet. I don't recall. And I'm looking at this, and I might start an air layer on this branch here. Yes, you can see the figs. So this is New England Gardening. Thanks for watching.